Hello everyone, tie your hair in the form of a lower ponytail, make a gap in between and carefully insert your hair through that gap. It was so easy peasy. Now you decorate it with your favorite backpin or a clutcher as you wish. First tie your hair in the form of a ponytail, then roll the ponytail upwards and then secure it properly. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail, then from the above part insert a back pin from below, giving it a semicircular look. Take your hair from within, loosen the rubber band, insert a back pin, roll the upper part, tie it again, roll it downwards, and then you are done. Take your hair, first tie it in the form of a ponytail. Insert a Juda pin and your hair through those Juda pins from one side and another side, tying it inside, and then you are done. It was so easy. The next hairstyle is similar, but it is just the difference of rolling your hair. Thank you for watching.